High Street. 2 minutes down there you have the underground station, along with a fabulous range of restaurants and shops for you to choose from. This property is conveniently located right next to Holland Park in Kensington. And right next door you have the beautifully modern Design Museum. In this amazing modern development just off Kensington High Street. And I can't wait to show you this apartment. Here we have the master bedroom with your own private door. On entering the master bedroom you have your own walk-in wardrobe. I'm absolutely in love with this ensuite bathroom. You have your own walk-in shower with a double basin. On entering the master bedroom you have more storage, a double bed, and look at these stunning views. For the hallway you have your utility room, which has your own separate washer and dryer. Down the hallway you have the guest bedroom with more walk-in wardrobes. You have the guest bathroom with a beautifully finished walk-in shower. The guest bedroom has more storage, 2 single beds, and you'll even have your own private view over Holland Park. Here you have more storage, a beautiful open plan kitchen, a microwave oven, traditional oven with your fridge and freezer next to it. You also have your dishwasher, a wine cooler for those wine drinkers, an induction hob with plenty of storage underneath, and a lovely bright view. Look at this double aspect lounge with more beautiful views over Holland Park. What more could you ask for? apartment also has concierge and a car park. If you'd like to find out more, just click on the link below.